guys, I wanted to take a couple minutes and go through a new website that I have found and worked on that I think and really hope that will make life a little bit easier for everyone as we're trying to navigate around to some different resources that we have. So I wanted to take a few minutes to show you kind of how to navigate that. So this is what our newsletter is going to look like this week or starting tomorrow. If you scroll down here to this button that says Symbaloo, you're going to click on that and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. And if you hit add this web mix right here, it's going to open up all of these different options right here. Um, Come to find out, there's different links. I think it's linking different school members together. And so this is another one that I've opened up from another colleague at school. So mine is right here. But if you click on education, it actually allowed me to add a few more after I published it. So this one is actually full if you click on the education button up here. Regardless, you're going to get most of them on whichever one you pick. So basically what this is kind of a central location for all of the links that we use and then some new ones as well that should help when you are trying to navigate around to some of these different sites. It also helps because the kids don't have to type in the web address up at the top and they can just click on one. So, for example, if they were going to do freckle, which is this one right here, they would just click on it and then it will bring us to this page right here, which they should recognize. And then you can go over here to student and then it'll bring them to their login page. I feel like it's pretty helpful just in the fact that you don't have to type in long email addresses because the kids will mix one letter up and then it won't work. And so this should hopefully make it a little bit easier. It's got all kinds of things that we use in class already, like ABCya, extra math, ABC Mouse. We just got a free classroom code I sent you. Prodigy, we got a free, I got a signed up for that as well. Let's see, code.org, Epic, ScootPad, Typing Club. And then there's also some other resources on here in case you are needing just a little bit more to help your little kiddo while they're at home. There's some virtual field trips on here. This is like a guy showing some different drawing techniques. There's a lot of different reading resources on here. You can go visit the aquarium. This guy right here is a PE teacher and he does little 5-minute workout videos for the kids. There's all kinds of different things. Here's the Zoom button. So whenever we meet together, you can just click on that Zoom button and it'll bring us to our meeting room. So there's all different things on here. So hopefully this will be helpful to you. If there is anything that you find that you think would be helpful that I could add to this, let me know and I will see if I can get anything added in. I love to share exciting things as you guys are finding them. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email and that I hope that it's helpful. Thanks.